at 98.5K subs. It's been a life goal of mine to reach that 100K mark. If you haven't already, hit the button right here. Come on, you gotta get in tune.
Yeah. You're in tune, dude. It sounds dialed.
Today we are at an empty field in Florida with a Hellcat on mud tires and a lift. I mean, I can't think of a single thing that could go wrong. The car looks amazing. It bogs. Let's cut to some live action. These ethanol cars take a little while to warm up, but started off the trailer, gonna get some heat in the motor, and we've made it to Berryland. It's 100 acres of pure freedom, so we can do whatever we want today. We've got a big hill, we've got some open land, got some jumps. Who knows what we're gonna get into? My Holley screen isn't currently working, so I've got it hooked up to the computer. At idle, we're making about 60 pounds of oil pressure. We got 60 pounds of fuel pressure. All the vitals are looking good. They even got a tame hog out here. Clutch is on the left.
Okay.
Gas is on the right. You do not need the one in the middle.
What, second gear? I've been building all the wrong style cars.
I know, dude.
We need doorless off-road rippers.
You're making it way too nice. You need to get one of these.
My phone fell out of my pocket. Hopefully it's in the car, but it may be somewhere out here.
That's a big L, brother.
Oh my
That's
God.
a big L.
What a guy. Unbelievable.
Yeah, you're not getting that bad. Yeah, that thing's gone.
Gone forever.
Sorry about your field, Barry.
No, that's what it's made for. That's why we got it.
Hey,
It would be cool if you did a big sun coming through here as fast as you can, so it's kind of leveled out. Freaking rip that e-brake and jump.
well,
on.
you see that e-brake in there? It don't work. It's just for looks. Hey, Crispy.
Still do a damn left foot.
What do you think about the hill climb idea?
I think if we leave here today without at least one shot at it,
Are my brakes okay? Of course they're okay, dude. These are TBMs, the Brakeman, best brakes on the market. Now available TBM brakes for your Challenger, Hellcat. They're super lightweight. They get you stopped quick. Honestly, I can't even tell a difference between these and the big Brembos. Also, shout out to my boys at Holley and Shop Hellcats for getting this thing dialed, and my boy Ryan for getting the lift on it and the tires pretty much overnight.
And I got a pretty bitch with a fat apple, one leg in the air when I hit it. The police behind me, you know that I'm smashing. I ain't pulling over, you tripping. But I ain't trying to talk about police, to talk about bitches, let's talk about business. Let's talk about the young nigga came up from nothing, now he work for my fucking million. Used to pay for a section, now they gotta break us the back and to come in the bill. I knew that I was special back when we were breaking their houses and robbing the steal. Okay, we made you put your hands in there, but then thing in your face when your pockets dip. And I ain't gotta act like a pilot, they nice to buy something really.
how deep this rut is.
Oh my god.
Crispy, I can fit like, it goes halfway up my leg. When I was chasing you guys down this hill though, that was a little bit sketch. I couldn't see it over the crest.
Yeah.
I think this is Hellcat?
Parker, I think it's safe to say all the plastic up here
It's Hellcat?
is yours, dude.
I think we can put it back on.
Yeah.
You ready to drive? Oh yeah. Hop in there, dude. Oh yeah, stay in first gear, kind of stay out here, and I'll get some shots of you doing some donuts and stuff.
Left pedal's brake, right?
Right pedal's brake. You'll figure it out. Hey, just stay off the limiter, all right? Stay off the limiter. Stay off the limiter. This is your seatbelt. You're gonna want that on. Yeah. And then clutch, brake, gas.
Okay.
You only really need to worry about that one on the right and the one on the left. Don't worry about the one in the middle.
And this is emergency brake?
Yeah, that's disconnected, so you don't have to worry about that. Oh, he's on the limiter. Stay off the limiter. Dude, I told him to stay off the limiter. Hey, I thought you were gonna stay off the limiter.
Hey, it didn't stall, so
It
it's a
didn't
win.
stall it. Nice work, dude. That was sick. You're throwing some big roosters with this thing. It's definitely more money than when I gave it to you, but it still runs. All right, guys, I'm about to put my boy Jeff on. He's helped me out when I've been in a pickle before. So Jeff, you ready to rip this thing?
Yeah. Let's
Dude,
get in there,
jump
bro.
in there,
all
brother.
Right, all right.
Go.
Let's get her.
I found that staying in first gear is the bad. So I tried jumping second, and then I kind of bogged out a little bit.
Too much.
Yeah. The only thing we need is for you to drive it.
Does it have second gear?
Yeah, it's got all 6 in reverse.
Okay.
You wreck it, you buy it.
Alright, you guys get
I'll trade you my back.
Hey, that's a deal. I've heard it's pretty nasty. It's kind of fun letting
You're
people.
handing the keys to everyone, so someone crashes.
Dude,
You
you had to do it. Crispy, I think it's big W on this one.
Already?
Oh no.
He's been
Your boy is sacrificing it, dude, for the freaking clips.
I didn't invite you.
I know, I just showed up and this is the best day of my week.
He's coming in hot. Boy's coming in hot.
sucks.
This is so awesome, bro.
Nice, dude. Successful day. We had a little issue in the beginning, right? But I think she performed outstanding, dude. Not a thing broken except for my front valance, a little plastic underneath her. I think that we have a couple more bogs left in her and burnouts. I mean, this thing won't die. It's amazing. 180,000 miles, highest mile Hellcat in the world, and she still rips. I love this car. Oh yeah, I'm gonna go on record and say I think that the Hellcat engine is the next LS. I mean, they're just so beefy and strong. I mean, I know they're expensive and they're gonna stop making them, but you just can't beat them. Like, they're just so strong. They make such great power for what they are on like a stock bottom end. Now, that being said, this is a piston rod cam motor, but she rips. She rips. She did a great job today. All right, let's get her, do the thing, get her home. Have you ever found yourself in a situation where you've been wrenching on your car, need a 10mm wrench, plowing a bag of flaming hot Cheetos and drinking a Dr. Pepper and realize, dang it, I really need to brush my teeth? Well, now's your chance. I'm talking Dr. Parker's 10mm tool brush, a toothbrush on one end, a 10mm wrench on the other. This sucker, CNC billet aluminum, baby. Lifetime warranty. Get them now at CletusMcFarland.com.